Okay, so this is for our matter today. Unit 2, space travel. Okay, so now here we have this part. Okay, as you can see here, you can see we have space travel. This is Earth, and we are in space plane. Okay, then we will have this. Look at the image on the top of the page. What can you see? And then you have to choose this. I want you to add vocabulary about space table here. You can see we have planets, other objects in space, technology, and more. Okay, if you want to add this part, you can say it. Jika kalian mau menambahkan vocabulary atau kosakata tentang planet, other objects in space, atau benda-benda lainnya ada di luar angkasa, teknologi, dan lain-lainnya, boleh banget nih diisi yang berkaitan dengan space. Okay, so if you want to try it, you can say it. Okay, who wants to try? For the example here, we have planets, Mars, and other objects in space. We have the moon, and then technology is space station, and then we have more here, astronaut and Star Wars. Okay, there is movie about space. Alright, so now who wants to try? Ada yang mau coba di sini? Okay, Mutia, you wanna try? Or Kevin, you wanna try?
Cat, mau nanya,
Ya,
yang teknologi itu kayak mana maksudnya? Space
teknologi. Jadi kan
Yes.
teknologi yang ada di luar angkasa yang dikembangkan oleh developed by uh, engineer. So this is like space station. Jadi space station adalah teknologi yang dikembangkan untuk keluar angkasa. Kira-kira benda teknologi apa nih yang ada di luar angkasa yang diciptakan seperti itu? Do you get it?
Kayak sinyal gitu? Eh,
Signal, okay, that is like apa ya namanya?
eh, apa ya?
Satelit ya?
Iya, satelit.
Satelit.
Itu bisa?
Oke, boleh banget.
Oke. Bentar,
Jadi
Kevin.
benda-benda. Oke, please take your time. Okay, so the example we have Mars, the Moon, space station, astronaut, and Star Wars. Okay, more it can be any else atau film-film luar angkasa yang pernah kalian tonton nih. For example, here we have Star Wars and people in the outside or in the space like astronaut, or it can be apa aja nih? It can be any else. If you want to try, you can say it. Oke, have you done? Udah selesai, Kevin, Mutia? Want to try to answer this part? For example, it can start by me, yeah. So for example, here I will choose for the planet like Earth. Of course, Earth is our space, our planet. I will choose Earth, and then for the others objects in space, perhaps I will choose like comet, and then for the technology, it can be like telescope, yeah. Telescope, actually, telescope is related with space, yeah. You can see stars in the sky by telescope. And then after our telescope here, perhaps I will choose like, apa ya kira-kira? It can be like black hole, seperti itu. Black hole or any else. So that is for the example. Okay, who wants to try next? So that is the example from me. Okay, if you want to try, Kevin, you want to try?
Yeah, I want to try.
Okay, please.
The planets I pick Saturn.
Saturn. Okay, you choose Saturn. And then for the other objects,
This other object is asteroid.
asteroid. Okay. And then for the technology,
Satellite.
satellite. Okay, it can be satellite. And then for the more,
I think solar system.
solar system. Okay, so you choose solar system, yeah? So Kevin, I want to ask you, are you interested to something like in the space?
Hmm, I think 50-50.
50-50. Okay. Do you have any favorite movie about space or science fiction?
Star Wars kayaknya.
Star Wars. Okay, so you choose Star Wars. So have you watched from the first until the new one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, thank you very much, Kevin, for answering the question. Perfect. Thank you very much. Okay, so that is from Kevin. Okay, so now the next mood, yeah, you want to try?
Yes, I wanna try, Cap.
Okay, so you can say it.
Planets itu Venus,
Okay, you choose Venus.
yes.
And then
And then other object in space, comet, maybe. Yeah, comet.
comet. Okay, and any others? Udah ada comet nih. You can choose the other
Apa
object.
ya?
Apa nih
Um,
kira-kira?
apa tadi?
Selain komet, apa nih kira-kira?
Nggak tahu sih. Ada lagi ya?
Ada lagi loh banyak banget. Kira-kira apa nih
Hmm,
benda-benda yang ada di luar angkasa nih?
star, bintang.
Star. Oke, boleh banget. We have star. Oke, and then for the technology,
Roket, roket.
rocket. Oke,
Yes.
benar banget. Rocket. So rocket can be used to go to outside for to go space. And then for the more,
Film ya? Film gitu bukan?
more. It can be apa aja boleh related to space.
Gravity.
Gravity. Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Gravity. Gravitasi ya.
Ya.
Okay, Mutia, I want to ask you. So are you interested to something like space?
Hmm, artinya artinya
Are
kan?
you interested to something like space atau kamu tertarik dengan hal yang berbau dengan luar angkasa?
Yes. And interest.
Okay, what is your favorite?
Hmm,
What is your favorite thing about space?
satelit.
Satellite. Oh,
Yes.
you want to be astronaut?
Ya, tapi nggak bisa.
So that is like harapan aja ya.
Ya,
Okay, that's good.
kayak
Okay,
jadi
how
NASA
about
gitu.
you
Apa?
want to work in NASA?
Yes.
Okay, perhaps you can try. Semoga bisa terkabul ya.
Nggak mungkin.
Okay, perhaps you can try to work in like BMKG dulu ya. Mungkin
Yes.
bisa kayak BMKG something like that related to BMKG or that is about space. Okay, how about your favorite movie? Do you have any favorite movie?
Gravity itu ini deh, film.
Oh, that is movie.
Yes, movie.
Oh, I just know it. So let me take a look about Gravity. That is movie 2013 ya.
Yes.
Wow, that is so long time ago. That is movie 2000. What is it about?
Um, Dia ini kayak cerita apa ya? Kayak apa namanya dua perempuan gitu.
You can try to explain in English.
Gimana ya?
You can try to explain in English, please.
Um,
Pelan-pelan nggak apa-apa. It's okay.
Gimana ya? Ceritanya tuh kayak,
So that is about two women in the space, and then
bentar Cap.
okay.
Hmm,
Apa nih? Lupa ya.
lupa, lupa tapi
Okay.
ya kayak gitu pokoknya. Eh,
Okay, so that is about two women in the space gitu ya.
ya,
Okay, it's okay. All right. That's all, Mutia?
ya, that's all.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Mutia, for trying this part. Okay, thank you very much, Kevin and Mutia, for trying this warm-up question. Ini adalah pemanasan. So the planets we have Mars, Earth, Saturn, and Venus. For the other objects in space, we have the moon, comet, asteroid, and star. And for the technology, we have space station, telescope, satellite, and rocket. And then we have the next, we have more in the astronaut, Star Wars, black hole, solar system, and gravity. Okay, so that is about warm up. Itu adalah pemanasan kita hari ini. Okay, so then after warm up, we have this. So here, I want you to mention this. Nah, kita akan mencoba untuk mengucapkan di sini nih. Kita ada pilihannya. Ada 5,000, 500,000, 5 million, 5 billion, 5 trillion, and 5 quadrillion. Okay, can you try to match it? Nah, kira-kira bisa nggak sih? Matchin mana yang 5 juta, mana yang 5.000, mana yang 500.000, dan mana yang 5 miliar gitu. Oke, you want to try? From the first year, I will choose 5,000 ya. 5,000, that is the simple one here. That is for this 5,000. So this is for 5.000. Okay, the next, if you want to try.
Yep, I want to try.
Okay, please. So which one is it?
Number 2, 500,000 itu yang A. Yang C.
500,000. So it will be this. Ini ya.
C, yes.
All right. Okay, that's great. Okay, welcome Grace to the class. So we will try to read number. Kita akan mencoba berhitung number. So this is for 500,000. Okay, next. Apa nih kira-kira? Which one is 5 million, 5 billion, 5 trillion, and 5 quadrillion? Okay, who wants to try next?
I want to try again.
Okay, Kevin, which one?
Number 3, 5 million.
5 million. Okay,
Is
which one
A.
is it? 5 million. It is this. Okay, the answer is A. 5 million. Okay, that's great, Kevin. Okay, next. You have 5 billion, 5 trillion, and 5 quadrillion. Okay, so that is for 5 billion, itu 5 miliar ya. So the 5 miliar, it must be this 5 billion. Okay, then we have trillion and quadrillion. Okay, who wants to try? We have two left nih.
Yep, I want to try.
Okay, which one?
Number 6.
Okay, number 6, 5
Itu
quadrillion.
quadrillion tuh yang F.
F. Okay, the
Yep.
answer is F. Okay, that's great. So the last one here, we have this. That is for 5 trillion. Okay, so that is about number. As you can see here, we will try to read this. So this is for 5. Of course, this is 5. Jadi kita ada 5 dulu. And then we have to add more zero. This is 50. And then 500. And then 5,000. And then 50,000. And then 500,000. And then you can add more, it can be more. So this is for 5 million. So that is for the example. Okay, so now here I will call you and then you have to try to read the number without the in tulisan ya. We have to read this part. Okay, so now Kevin, can you try to read A until F?
Yeah.
Okay, please.
Number A is 5 million.
Okay, this is 5 million. And then
Number B is
that is not number ya, that is alphabet ya.
okay. Alphabet B is 5 trillion.
5 trillion, okay.
Alphabet C is 500,000.
500,000, okay.
Number D is 5 billion.
5 billion, all right.
And alphabet E is 5,000.
5,000, okay, the last.
And last 5 quadrillion.
Okay, 5 quadrillion. Okay, that's great. Okay, thank you very much, Kevin, for trying this part. Okay, then Mutia, can you hear my voice, Mutia?
Uh,
Okay,
yes, Cap.
Mutia, can you try from F until A? Jadi dibalik. So from
F.
F, E, D, C, B, A. From
Jadi
below,
kayak
dari bawah.
number F gitu.
Alphabet
F.
from alphabet A, F to A. Jadi dari F ke
Oke.
A.
Yang F itu 5 quadrillion.
Mhm.
Yang A
E,
itu
oke.
E
Mhm.
5,000.
5,000,
Yes.
oke.
Abis itu D ya. D itu
D,
D 5 billion. Ya.
oke, 5 billion.
Yang C itu 500,000.
500,000, oke.
B ya. Yang B
Ya, B.
itu B 5 trillion.
5 trillion, oke. And the last?
And then yang A itu 5 million.
5 million. Oke, that's great. Oke, thank you very much, Mutia. Oh, sorry, yang A tadi apa?
Ah, A
Yang A,
yang mana?
A,
Oh,
A.
A. Itu ini 5 million.
Oke, 5 million. Oke, perfect. Thank you very much, Mutia.
Okay.
Okay, then now, Grace, can you hear my voice, Grace?
Okay.
Okay, Grace, can you try to mention A until F?
Okay.
Okay, please.
Okay. A 5 million.
5
B
million. Mhm.
B 5 trillion. Trillion.
Trillion. Trillion, kan?
Trillion.
Okay.
Trillion. Number C apa tadi ya? 500,000.
500,000. Okay.
And number D
That is
5
alphabet ya, bukan number ya.
Oh iya, alphabet D
Mhm. Mhm.
5 billion.
5 billion. Okay.
If alphabet E
Mhm.
5,000 and
5,000.
alphabet V apa
F.
tadi ya? F 5 L apa nih?
5.
5 quadrillion.
5 quadrillion ya.
Okay, 5
Okay.
quadrillion.
5 quadrillion. Can you try to read this quadrillion ini, Grace? Coba.
Quadrillion.
Okay, 5 quadrillion. Okay, do you understand, Grace?
Ya, kayak
All right. Thank you very much, Grace, for trying this part. Okay, so that is about number. So from 5,000 until 5 quadrillion. Dari 5.000 sampai 5 quadrillion ya. Okay, until I can count it. I can imagine how much. Okay, then here we will try to read this part. Jadi di sini kita akan membaca ya. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have until G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have seven, so we will spare into three, three. Oh no, two, 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 and one. So the first one will be me, and then from part. Oke, jadinya jumlahnya agak kurang seimbang ya. Okay, then here AB is Kevin, CDE Mutia, and FG Chris. Okay, do you get it? Oke ya, berarti AB Aska, sorry, AB Kevin, CDE Mutia, FG Chris. Okay?
Okay, Cap.
Okay, you all mm, you just read this part. Okay, so now the first one, could plants grow in space? Are there places other than Earth where life could exist? Okay, so now Kevin, can you try it, Kevin?
Ini dibaca semuanya.
Ya, dibaca from A and B.
Oh,
Cuma
oke.
dibaca aja.
Oke, I will try. Alphabet A. Cold plant grow in space. We are yet to find life on other planets, but that doesn't mean there isn't life out there. In fact, it is more likely that is island life on another planet than not. Let's start with some huge number. How many planets are in the universe? Do you want to make a quiz, guys?
Okay, so now I will give you the example ya, Kevin. Tadi ini dibaca mean ya, doesn't mean. So we are
Okay.
yet to find life on the other planets, but that doesn't mean ya. And then this alien ya, alien. And this is you can say, okay, Kevin ini bacanya gimana?
Universe.
Universe ya, so universe. Tadi ini kayak universe. Jadi universe. And then this is huge numbers. And do you want to make a guess? Make a guess. Okay, you can try to be part.
Okay. Before this, Earth is one of 8 planets in our solar system. Our solar system with its star, we call it the sun. In
Sun,
one sun is one of many in your galaxy, which is called
cold,
the Milky Way. Most scientists say that your galaxy contains
hour ya.
up
That is
of
hour.
yeah, our galaxy contains up to 400 4,000 billion stars. Scientists
400 ya,
also
400.
yeah, 400 billion stars. Scientists also tell us that there are 54 galaxies that are local to ours, which leads to a figure of 21
Point.
21.6 trillion planets in galaxies close to our own. However, these local galaxies are in something called a supercluster, and there are at least 100 more of this. So you can have 2.16 quadrillion planets, but it doesn't stop there. This group are one of a further 10 million supercluster we know of in the universe. This means there are at least 26 trillions. This is 2 plus 23 zero planet other than the Earth.
Okay, Kevin, I want to give you a suggestion. Jangan lupa dibaca S-nya ya. Tadi ada
Yeah,
kayak bagian S-nya super clusters, jadi kayak galaxies. Terus pokoknya ada S-nya, jangan lupa ditekankan S-nya ya.
okay.
Oke, jangan lupa dibaca S-nya. Jadi biar terlihat. So, these groups, ada groups. Jadi bukan dengan this group, tapi these groups. Oke, Kevin?
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, Kevin, for trying reading this part. Okay, then after Kevin will be Mutia, CDE ya.
Oke, Cap.
Okay, please.
See, with so many planets in the universe, there is bound to be life on quite a few of them. In a search for life, we will probably start by looking for planets similar to Earth. Life kan?
Live.
Yes, life on Earth needs liquid water, so other planets may need this too. If a planet's orbit too close to its star, it will be too hot, and any ocean will boil. Too distant, and any ocean will freeze. Somewhere in between lies the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right.
Okay, so I want to give you this is you can read Mike ya yang ini.
Mike, okay.
Mike. So planet Mike needs this too. Terus yang ini juga ini bacanya lies ya.
Lies, okay.
Within lies. Terus tidak ini bacanya wood.
Wood.
Jadi L-nya hilang jadi wood gitu.
Wood. Okay.
Any oceans would boil.
Wood.
Okay?
Okay,
Okay, Mutia?
Okay.
Okay, you can try D.
Also, we are yet. We all. Enggak apa.
Although
Although we are yet to discover alien life, we can be sure that if we don't find it, it will be very different to anything on Earth. However, scientists have speculated how flower, trees, and grass might look depending on a number of factors. These include the atmosphere on a planet, its size, and where the sun is in relation to the planet. Yang
Oke.
ini
Sorry ya Mutia tadi lupa nih. Bacanya tadi bener live ya, bukan live ya. Alien life,
alive.
life ya, life. Alien life bukan live ya, life. Sorry tadi lupa ngasih tahu ya. Okay, you can
Life.
try it in the E.
E. Goldilocks planet. Could be bigger or smaller than Earth.
Bigger, bigger.
Bigger. Yeah. Could be
Hmm.
bigger or smaller.
Could. Ini bacanya could ya.
Could.
Could.
Okay. Could
Could.
be bigger or smaller.
Bigger.
Bigger.
Bigger. Nggak ada N-nya, jadi bigger. Big, big,
Bigger.
big. Ah.
Could be bigger or smaller than Earth. Smaller planets have weaker gravity, so plants growing there would be taller than
Taller.
taller than on
Mhm.
Earth, as it would be
Easier.
for
Mhm.
them to grow. In contrast, gravity is stronger on bigger planets, so plants would likely be shorter there.
Oke, that's great. Oke, bener banget. Ini banyak in contrast ya, bukan in
In con
contrast.
in
Contrast.
contrast, oh yeah, Cap.
Oke. Oke, any question, Mutia?
No, Cap.
Oke, thank you very much, Mutia.
Okay, Cap.
Okay, so then let's move to Chris for F and G.
Okay.
Okay, please, Chris.
On one hand, if a planet has a thin atmosphere, there would be very little wind, so planes would gimana ini? wouldn't need to be strong. On the other hand, if a planet atmosphere was thick, planes would have to evolve to be strong to survive winds or hurricanes.
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 Hurricane. Oke, hurricane ya. Oke.
Hurricane. Okay, analogy. Plants on Earth use light from the sun to get energy. They have
Evolve.
evolved to absorb blue and red light and reflect green light, which our sun gives off in large quantities. But another sun that is less bright will give off very different energy, and plants might be very different colors because of this. Udah,
Ini yang
udah.
putting.
Now, putting this together means plants on other planets are bound to be even weirder than the strangest.
Strangest.
Strangest one ones we find on Earth, although
I doubt.
I doubt we will find alien plants anytime soon.
Source the
Source
conversation.
the
Uh,
conversation.
Oke, that's great. Oke, Chris, jangan lupa dibaca S-nya ya. Tadi, if a planet's atmosphere gitu ya. If a planet's atmosphere. Oke, jangan lupa dibaca. Ada S-nya ya. Oke, any question, Chris?
I know.
Okay, thank you very much for trying this part. Okay, so that is about this reading part called Plants Grow in Space. Okay, then after this, I want you to this. Look at these questions. Which one are asking you to speculate, discuss, and speculate with a classmate? So here we have this. Kita ada 3 pertanyaan nih. Jadi kalian harus menjawab 3 pertanyaan ini. Do you like films about alien? Which is your favorite? So you can deliver your answer. So if you don't like, you can say, no, I don't. So if you like it, you can say, yes, I do. And say which is your favorite one. And then for number 2, do you think we are likely to find life on other planets in our solar system, our galaxy, or the universe? And for number 3, do you think humans have stopped evolving? How might we evolve in the future? Okay, so now this, I want you to get the answer this. I want to hear your opinion about these 3 questions. Okay, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira tentang ini?
Cap, yang nomor 1 itu jawabnya gimana?
This is what. Do you like films about aliens? Jika kalian suka berarti yes I do. And then say the movie. And if you don't like it, you can say no I don't.
Kenapanya?
Kan, oke, bisa the reason is gitu. Alasannya apa? The reason
Oh,
is
pakai alasan
apa?
ya? Oke.
Ya, alasannya nggak suka kenapa? Kalau suka film apa gitu. Oke?
Oke, Cap.
Oke, so do you have any question? Yang lainnya ada pertanyaan?
Okay.
Okay, please, you have to find it. So we will focus on our speaking. Jadi di sini kalian akan lebih banyak berbicara. Oke, silahkan. Oke, so that is for number one. Do you like films about alien? Apakah kalian suka film tentang alien? Which is your favorite? Mana favorit kalian? And then for number two, do you think we are likely to find life on other planets in our solar system, our galaxy, or the universe? Jadi menurut kalian, apakah mungkin kita menemukan kehidupan di planet lain di tata surya kita, galaksi kita, atau alam semesta kita? Jika mungkin bisa yes, I do. Terus alasannya apa? Jika no, I don't. Jika tidak, alasannya juga kenapa. And you have to give the reason of your answer. And then for number three, do you think humans have stopped evolving? How might we evolve in the future? Jadi, ini menurut kalian nih, apakah manusia telah berhenti berevolusi? Dan juga bagaimana mungkin jika manusia berevolusi di masa depan? Okay, so that is about the answer, the question for this part. Okay, you can try to find the answer.
Ini semuanya ya.
Iya, semuanya. Oke, Grace?
Nah, Oke.
Cap,
Oke.
eh,
Ya,
mau nanya, kalau yang which is your favorite itu nama filmnya atau adegan filmnya gitu?
nama filmnya ya.
Oke.
Okay, so that is for the name of the movie. Okay, so now I will give you the example for the answer for the number one. Do you like films about aliens? Which is your favorite? So number one, I will just yes, I do. So my favorite one is Armageddon. Sorry, Terminator. That is like alien from Terminator. If you know about the movie, yeah, that is Terminator. And then for do you think we are likely to find life on other planets in our solar system, our galaxy, or the universe? Perhaps I don't think so. It can be yes, it can be no, because there is so many room more about space and it can be true, it can be fake. Jadi bisa palsu, bisa enggak. Jadi I wish there is a life in the another galaxy or another planets. So perhaps in the future we can contact to them. For the example, itu contohnya aja ya. And then for number three, do you think humans have stopped evolving? How might we evolve in the future? So I think, so do you think human have stopped? No, I don't think so. Jadi human not stop evolving. Jadi orang tuh tidak berhenti berevolusi ya. So human haven't stopped the evolving or the evolving. So humans make evolve to continue evolve in the subtle way. Jadi masih berevolusi in the good way. Okay, so now if you want to try, you can answer it. Or do you still have a confusion? You can say it. You want to try, Grace?
Enggak, aku masih bingung.
Bingung yang mana?
Untuk jawabannya gimana ini?
Bingung gimana maksudnya?
Ini deh, enggak. Enggak, Kak.
Nggak apa, ditanyain aja nggak apa, biar lebih jelas. It can be clear. Gimana, Grace? You wanted to ask?
No, Kak.
Enggak. Oke,
No, no, no.
oke. Jika ingin bertanya nggak apa-apa banget. Jadi kalian tidak usah takut bertanya ya, karena nggak mungkin disalah-salah ini, karena kalian akan lebih jelas. It will be more clear. It will be clearer. So this is based on your opinion. This is only for your opinion. Jadi ini buat opini kalian sendiri. Jadi bukan harus dari berdasarkan ilmiah. Jadi menurut kalian aja, based on your opinion, your speculation. Okay, Mutia, you want to try?
Hmm, Mutia masih bingung yang nomor 3.
Number
Itu
three,
maksudnya
apakah manusia
berevolusi,
sudah berhenti berevolusi?
ya, berevolusi apanya maksudnya?
Berevolusi apa aja boleh, mungkin berevolusi dari bentuk, kayak misalnya di zaman dulu kan orang
Besar-besar.
kayak bentukannya beda-beda besar-besar terus lama-lama kayak
Yes.
mengecil mengecil mengecil, atau pakai dia teori Darwin jadi manusia jadi kera tiba-tiba seperti itu. Jadi it feels
Oh,
free to say, bebas,
oke.
evolusinya bebas. Oke.
Oke, Gap.
Atau how might we evolve in the future, kira-kira kalian nanti manusia ke depannya bakal gimana nih, atau mereka kepalanya gimana atau gimana gitu, bebas.
Okay, I wanna try.
Oke, Grace, you wanna try please?
Yeah, okay. Number one, do you like films? Films atau
Films, films.
films about aliens? Which is your favorite? I don't like I don't like films about aliens because this not very imagines. But I like but my favorite which my favorite itu apa ya tadi
My
ya?
favorite is
My favorite movies are about
hmm,
science and knowledge.
nine. Sorry.
Science,
Oh,
science,
science and
knowledge.
knowledge. Okay, so you prefer movie about science and knowledge, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's cool. And then,
Number two, do you think we are like to find life on other planets in our solar system or galaxy? Apa ya? I think I'm not sure there's life in our galaxy or solar system because, I don't know why, but I think it's so fun to listen, imagines it.
so that is like imagination, only a imagination, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so that can be true. Tidak bisa, mungkin tidak nyata gitu ya.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's great opinion. And then for number three,
Okay. Number three, do you think humans have stopped of falling?
in evolving,
Yeah, yeah, evolving. How
mhm,
might we, yeah,
how might
evolve in the Oh, might we
evolve?
evolve in the future? I think yes, we are still evolving because maybe one day can will be smart or life longer.
Oh,
Okay,
so human can live longer.
yeah, okay,
Okay, that's all, Grace.
yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's good opinion, Grace. Okay, actually, I want to say to you that humans, by the time malah the life of someone is shorter ya, lebih pendek ya. In the past, as you can see, a lot of people live more than 1 year, 1,000, sorry, 100 years. Life
Hmm.
hidup lebih dari 100 tahun kan, in the past. But in
Yeah.
nowadays, a lot of people only live until 80, 70, something like that. Do you agree, Grace?
Okay.
Do
Uh,
you agree with my opinion?
uh, can you I ulang?
Oh, you want me to repeat again?
Yeah.
Okay, you can say, can you repeat? Gitu coba.
Can you repeat?
Okay, so my statement is a lot of people in the past, the the old almost was almost 100 years, more than 100 years. Jadi pada zaman dulu orang tuh umurnya lebih dari 100 tahun. And for nowadays, untuk zaman sekarang, a lot of people only live until mm, 80, 70, 80 sampai 70. So do you
Yeah.
agree with my opinion?
Yeah. Uh,
Eh,
berterima maksudnya gimana
Hmm?
jawabnya ya? Gimana responnya?
Yeah, how is your response?
Uh, yeah, I think yes about your opinion, Cap.
Okay, that's all.
It's okay. And it's all.
Oke, kalau mau disampaikan in Indonesian, it's okay. Nanti dicoba di bahasa Inggris.
No, okay. Itu aja.
Okay, thank you very much, Grace, for trying this part. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so that is about this. Okay, next, who wants to try? Mutia, Kevin, Mutia, you want to try?
Yes, I wanna try, Cap.
Okay, please.
Do you like film about alien? Which is your favorite? The answer is yes, I do. The name, ini filmnya ya kan, Cap?
Yeah, the name of the movie is
The name of the movie is Star Wars.
Star Wars. Okay, and then,
And then number two ya.
hmm,
Uh, do you think we are likely to find
live.
life on other planet in our solar system, our galaxy, or the universe? Itu the answer is no.
Why?
Because on other planets beside Earth there is no oxygen.
There's no oxygen.
Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay,
Number
how
three.
about if some creatures in outside can adapt without oxygen? How do you think about it?
Mm, artinya kan
Uh, uh, Pelan-pelan ya. So, how do
yes.
you think
Ya.
if some creators atau makhluk
Ya.
makhluk that is like alien can beradaptasi adapt without oxygen?
Em, Mungkin itu apa ya? Emang habitatnya di luar angkasa.
Okay, so that is about the habitat. So, like fish. So, fish doesn't need oxygen, right?
Itu
So,
karena apanya
they
Cap?
breathe with water. Jadi menggunakan insang untuk bernafas kan?
Iya.
Untuk
Eh.
with water dengan air kan? So
Mm-mm.
they are not really use tidak terlalu menggunakan oksigen kan?
Iya.
So how do you think if some creatures can adapt without oxygen in the other planets?
Aduh, kayak mana ya?
Gimana? Coba di bahasa Indonesia juga nggak apa-apa sih.
Jadi apa sih namanya? Kayak apa namanya?
Kan tadi jawabannya Mutia nggak
Perasaan
bisa
mereka tuh ya.
karena di luar angkasa nggak ada
Nggak ada
oksigen, jadi
oksigen.
nggak mungkin ada kehidupan kan?
Jadi orang ini pakai apa di sana gitu?
Kan dimaksud adalah ada kehidupan lainnya nggak? Kan misal karena di luar angkasa nggak ada oksigen, jadi ada yang beradaptasi tanpa oksigen. Gimana menurut Mutia?
Hmm, Gimana ya?
Gimana? Based on your opinion, gimana?
Mungkin mereka punya ini sendiri, punya sistem pernafasan sendiri.
Oke, because they have the other way ya to
Yes.
live. Jadi untuk hidup. Oke?
Yes. Kayak gitu.
Oke. Oke, that's good. Oke, then can you try number three?
Number three, do you think humans have stopped evolving? How many? How
How
might
might?
we
Mhm.
evolve in the future? And the answer is maybe humans in the future will evolve to be taller than they are now.
So do you think that human in the future taller?
Yes, than
Lebih
they
tinggi
are
ya?
now.
Dan right now, jadi
Yeah,
sekarang
yeah.
masih pendek-pendek ya. So in the future, human will be taller than now ya.
Yes.
So I want to ask you, how about giant? Do you ever heard about giant?
Giant ya, besar-besar
Uh,
gitu.
so have you ever heard about the story of Adam Prophet, Nabi Adam?
Yes.
Kan dulu ada kayak tapak kakinya tuh besar banget kan?
Mm-mm.
So ada jokes juga kayak sepeda Nabi Adam, pernah dengar nggak?
Pernah.
Nah, so because the object is very big, so everyone called it sepeda Nabi Adam gitu kan?
Yes.
So that is for in the past, human are bigger than now. So do you think that kayak gini ya? Jadi yang dulu kan tinggi, terus sekarang kan agak pendek-pendek gitu kan? And then you
Mungkin
think that it will be naik lagi gitu.
yes. I think.
Oh, so that is like shrink gitu ya?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's all Mutia.
Yes, that's all, Cap.
Okay, thank you very much Mutia for sharing your opinion. Perfect.
Welcome, Cap.
Okay, so that is from Mutia. Okay, next Kevin, you want to try?
I want to try that.
Okay, Kevin, please.
Ya, ini yang pertama disebutin sama filmnya juga.
Yeah, if you have any favorite one.
Oh, do you like film about aliens? Yeah, I like that. What film is named Arrival?
The film is Arrival. Okay, can you uh, tell me about the movie? Actually, I don't know about that.
Actually, filmnya bahas tentang teknologi, kayak
So,
sama fokus on communicationnya sama aliennya.
oh, so this is about technology, the communication between human and alien.
Ya,
Okay, so the ending, how is the ending?
endingnya sih mereka berpisah.
Sorry, gimana?
Endingnya mereka pisah ke
They are
suatu planet.
spared. Jadi
Ya,
mereka berpisah?
heeh.
Oh, okay, so that is sad movie or good movie?
I think sad, man.
Sad movie. So the movie has sad ending, yeah.
Ya,
Okay, that's cool. And then for number two,
and number two, do you think we are likely to find life on the planet in your solar system or galaxy or the universe? I think finding life in your own solar system is unlikely. Maybe just microbes. Kayaknya.
mungkin
Cuma
kemungkinannya gimana?
kemungkinan cuma mikroba kayaknya. Nggak mungkin
Oh,
apa
so
ya?
that can be like human or any
Ya,
creatures, yeah.
yang
So that is only like bacteria or amoeba, something like that, microba like that.
ya, ya, kayak gitu.
Okay, I agree. But it can be like that. Okay, and then for number three,
Number three, um, do you think humans have stopped evolving? No. How might we evolve the future? Human still evolve, kayaknya. Tapi lambat, talk slowly in the future.
oh, how can
Kayak
human evolve?
kayak evolve-nya merging with machine atau drop genetic engineering to adapt to life across the galaxy gitu.
Oh, that is more about technology, yeah.
Iya, kayak gitu.
So there is like development of technology in the future.
Mm.
So what do you want to do? What do you want it about? So what kind of technology do you want? What you want?
Kayak apa coba?
Teknologi apa yang kamu inginkan in the future?
Eh, kayak roketnya itu ke planet lain itu mungkin nggak selama, kan misalnya kan roket ke planet lain kan membutuhkan waktu like jutaan tahun kan ya,
Okay, million times and then
ya miliaran tahun atau jutaan tahun. Saya harap sih eh,
you can use
eh,
English, Kevin.
mungkin bisa dipercepat ya, nggak sampai miliaran gitu.
Okay, you want to be. Faster, yeah, than
Yeah,
now.
faster now.
Okay, so I want to ask you about a technology that has benefit for you.
Oke.
So what do you want in the future?
Apa yang kamu mau di masa depan?
What kind of technology?
Teknologi apa gitu? Yang mau?
Mhm.
Kayak apa ya? Lebih tempatnya,
You can answer it in English, yeah.
oh, portal mesin waktu kayaknya. Terus time machine kayaknya.
So you want to have time machine. Why? Why do you
Iya.
want to have time machine?
Kan other film kan banyak yang filmnya itu bahas tentang time machine ke planet lain gitu.
Oh, there is like teleport.
Iya, teleport.
Oh, teleport. Time machine and teleport is different, yeah. Time machine you can travel to another time in the future or in the past, but teleport you can change your position from A to B to C to D like that. So which one do you want?
Teleport sih.
Teleport. So you want to move to another place?
Iya,
Okay, so your answer is teleport.
oke dia.
Okay. Okay, can you mention why do you want to have teleport?
Ini kenapa aku milih teleport?
Why do you want to have teleport?
Biar faster gitu, lebih cepat. Menghemat
So
waktu.
it can be faster and save your time, yeah.
Ya, save your time.
Okay, all right, that's all.
Ya, that's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Kevin, for trying this part. Okay, thank you very much, Grace, Kevin, Mutia, for trying this part about our imagination and our speculate about space. Okay, so thank you very much. So now we will continue to the next. Kita akan lanjut ke selanjutnya nih. The next year we will have. Okay, for killing the time ya. Karena actually that is about our material about speaking. So now we will have for killing time. Jadi ini adalah untuk menghabiskan waktu nih. So we will have this. Seperti biasa, as usual, we will have this vocabulary on focus on vocabulary from this group one. So I want you to match the word in the phrase. Jadi kalian harus mencocokkan the word in the phrase. For example, for A, B, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to A, B, C, D, E. You have to match the vocabulary into the definition. Okay, so now if you want to try to answer this, you can try. This is only for killing time atau untuk menghabiskan waktu ya. Because actually we only focus on our speaking, so this is for only for extra material. Okay, who wants to try? We have universe, atmosphere, galaxy, orbit, and alien.
I I
Okay,
got
Grace, you want to try?
number 4.
Number 4. Okay, please. The answer is?
The definition of A.
Okay,
Mm,
please read it.
move around something, such as a planet moving around the sun.
Okay, so number 4, the answer is A. Okay, can you try to translate it, Grace?
Apa?
Translate it in Indonesian?
Orbit. Oke. In transit, orbit.
Mm-hmm.
A. Move around something itu bergerak, bergerak mengelilingi sesuatu.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, such apa ya? Such
Such
seperti
as? Mm-hmm.
seperti planet yang
Mm-hmm.
bergerak mengelilingi matahari.
Okay, that's great. The answer is A, and that's perfect translation. Thank you, Grace.
Oke.
Okay, next. Mutia, you want to try?
Yes, I want to try, Cap.
Okay, which one?
Number 1.
Number 1,
Yes.
universe.
Universe. The answer is all of space and everything in it.
Okay, all of space and everything in it. Okay, artinya apa?
Bentar. All of space. Seluruh ruang dan
Seluruh luar angkasa
uh, dan segala isinya.
dan segala isinya. Oke,
Yes.
seluruh ruang angkasa dan seluruh isinya. Oke, that is great. The answer is B. Perfect. Thank you, Matia.
Okay.
Oke, then we have three left. Tinggal tiga nih. Atmosphere, galaxy, and alien. Kevin, you wanna try?
Yeah, I wanna try.
Okay, which one?
Number five.
Number five. Okay, alien. The answer is
Answer is C.
C. A creature from another planet. Okay, can you read it and translate it?
A creature from another planet. Kayak apa ya? Dia itu berasal dari planet lain.
Creator itu makhluk ya.
Ya, makhluk planet lain.
Jadi sebuah makhluk
Dari
gimana?
planet lain.
Oke, sebuah makhluk dari planet lain. Alien. Oke, that's great. Thank you, Kevin. Oke, then we have two left. Tinggal dua nih. Atmosphere and galaxy. So, who wants to try next?
I want to try
Okay,
again.
Chris. Which one?
Number three,
Number
galaxy.
three. Galaxy. So, the answer is
E.
atmosphere.
Answer E. A large system of stars and their planets in the space. In space.
E or D
E. E.
for number?
Three. Number three with
Oh, number
E.
three. Galaxy. The answer is E. Okay, please translate and read it. Read it and translate it.
The distances, a large system of stars and their planets in the space. Uh, Translate itu sistem besar bintang dan planet-planet di luar angkasa.
Oke, boleh banget. Oke, that is correct answer, Grace. Thank you, Grace.
Oke.
Okay, the last one.
I wanna try,
Atmosphere.
Cap.
Okay, Mutia, please.
Number two ya.
Yeah, number two.
Atmosphere. Itu the answer is C.
C.
D.
D. Okay, please
Yes.
read it and translate it.
The layer of gases
Gases.
that surround a planet.
Artinya.
Um, lapisan gas.
Hmm.
Iya, lapisan gas.
Hmm.
Of gas yang mengelilingi sebuah planet.
Oke, yang mengelilingi sebuah planet. Oke, that's
Surround, ya.
correct. Oke, surround a planet. Di sekitar, di sekeliling planet. Oke, great. Thank you, Mutia. Oke, thank you very much everyone for trying this part. You have doing great. Kalian telah melakukan hal. Yeah, you have done great. Oke, thank you very much. Oke, so now, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih kira-kira? Do you have any question?
No, Cap. Nggak ada.
No?
No, Cat.
Kevin, you don't have? Okay, Chris, do you have any question?
Ah, besok tomorrow ya. Tomorrow
Yeah,
masih speak ya.
yeah,
Speaking
that is about speaking.
mengenai pembelajaran lanjutan,
S-
maksudnya bab baru kayak
Baru
kemarin.
dari, sorry,
Bab,
gimana
bab,
Chris?
bab- bab baru dan cara melatih speaking lagi ya besok.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, I will discuss in the next section, yeah.
Oke. Oke.
Okay, thank you, Grace.
Oke.
Okay, so that is about this part. Okay, so now please open your camera. We will take picture together. Oke, silakan kamera dinyalakan dan kita akan berfoto bersama-sama. Silakan. Okay, so here we have Grace. Okay, Kevin, you can open your camera. Okay, so now here I will count one until three. Okay, so now one, two, three. Okay, let me save it first. Okay, one more time without the material.